Hi, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial series I'm going to show you how you can create a blower in the Catia V5. So in this whole series I'll be using the part design and assembly design, generative shape design workbenches, and here I'm going to design the lower housing in the part design workbench. So you can see on your left side you have the dimension drawings, and you have the front view, the top view, and the side views. And now I'm going to start off invoking a plane here, and I'm going to do this particular sketch here. So as you can see, this dotted lines is actually the inner part of the of the lower housing, and this particular line here is the front part, and this one is on the back end, as you can see the cutting over here. And let me just start off with the sketching. So I'll create two circles to start off, and the radius of the first, I'll create this particular circle, that's 5.75, and this one will be 6, and I'll zoom in a little bit, use a profile tool, okay. Now let me trim off these lines and use mirror, and okay, and the down portion again. So first draw the sketch and then you can do the dimensioning. So I'll do the mirroring for this, and incidence. Okay, now the thickness over here, this thickness is 0.41, and this particular length from this point to this line is 1.5, and from bottom to the top is 6.5, and from this to this is 5. Okay, and this particular length here is 14, and you can come out of the sketch and do a padding of 8. So you can go to the padding and select the mirror extend and give 4, click OK, and once that is done you can select this particular face here and do this particular sketch. So select the circle and create a circle here, and give the dimension for this circle as this particular 4.875. Now let me just project this to 3D, and I'll mirror this line. Just come out of the sketch and do a padding of reverse direction, and the thickness is 0.25. Okay, so do the same thing on the interior. So here again, give the circle 1.5 radius, and select this circle, project it to 3D, and do mirroring for this, and just come out of the sketch and do a padding for this of 0.25, do the reverse direction. So you have half the way created here, and now you need to create a hole. For creating the hole, select two edges like this first, and select the hole and specify the surface so that the dimension is going to be counted from that particular sides. Now give the dimension for it, so it's going to be, here it's 0.75, and this particular height is 1, and the diameter is going to be 0.41 for the hole, and just click OK, and it's up to next and click OK. And once that is done, go to the specification tree here, select the hole, and now you can go to the insert transformation feature and rectangular pattern, and the reference element is this, and give the reverse direction, and this particular length here you need to specify this particular length. So the total over here you need to find it out. So just take the measure item and select from this edge to this edge is 14.972. so go to the transformation feature, rectangular pattern, reference element, and reverse direction. It's 14.972 minus this particular length here, 0.75 and 0.75 reduce from it, that is 1.5, and click OK, and go to the second direction, give 4, and the spacing over here is 2, so 2 spacing, and click preview, reverse direction, click OK, and you have your lower housing being done. So I hope you followed and enjoyed my video. So any doubts, any clarifications, you can comment just below on my video, and I'll be getting back to you as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed. Make my channel lively, subscribe me, like my videos. Thank you so much.